Tiramisu is currently the fifth most famous Italian word on Earth. Its global fame has created the illusion of an ancient Mediterranean tradition, as if these layers have always been part of the Italian landscape. But the historical record tells a different story. This dessert does not appear in a single cookbook, dictionary, or culinary encyclopedia published before the mid-20th century. Coffee, cocoa, mascarpone, and ladyfinger biscuits had been staples of Italian kitchens for centuries, yet there is no evidence of them being combined into this specific dish until the modern era. Tiramisu is a modern invention, a masterpiece born from a hidden and highly contested history. In the years following World War II, the narrow cobblestone streets of northern Italy's red light districts were home to a thriving, secretive nightlife. Local folklore in the city of Treviso suggests that house madams would whip together a high-energy mixture of raw egg yolks, sugar, and strong espresso to serve to their guests. The name tiramisu translates literally to pick-me-up. It was reportedly intended as a restorative snack to provide patrons with the physical stamina needed to return home to their families. This gritty origin has even older echoes. Some trace the recipe to a 19th-century noblewoman named Giuseppina Terretta, who famously served a similar layered cream to her lovers. Captivating as these myths are, they act as a convenient cover story for a much older process, a centuries-long collision of global trade routes. The recipe's components began their journey to Italy in 1348, starting with the Savoiardi, or ladyfingers. These biscuits were invented at the court of Savoy to impress the French king. In 1477, the second ingredient emerged from the dairy farms of Lombardy. Mascarpone was originally a perishable luxury, a rich winter cream that could only be produced during the coldest months of the northern Italian year. A century later, the global reach of the Spanish Empire brought cocoa to the continent. The cocoa trade moved from the Americas to Spain, eventually arriving in Turin via the Duke of Savoy in 1559. Finally, in 1615, the first sacks of Arabian coffee beans arrived at the Venetian ports. At the time, coffee was sold in specialized pharmacies as an exotic medicine, used both as an anti-fatigue stimulant and an aphrodisiac. For centuries, these four products of global trade sat isolated in the same region of Italy, waiting for a specific cultural catalyst to unite them. That catalyst arrived during the mid-century culinary renaissance, as Italy emerged from the recovery years following World War II. The city of Treviso holds the most famous claim to the recipe. They credit the Campiole family and chef Loli Linguanotto at Le Beccarie in the early 1970s. They claim to have taken a traditional peasant breakfast, raw egg yolks whipped with sugar, and refined it by adding mascarpone and espresso. However, an opposing claim exists further north in the mountains of Friuli, dating back to 1952 at the Albergo Roma by perfectionist chef Norma Pielli. She famously forced her waiters to use a toothpick to trace a mathematical grid into the cocoa powder before slicing the dessert into portions. The Friulian claim is supported by a piece of physical evidence, a documented paper receipt from the Albergo Roma, dated December 13, 1959. This receipt explicitly lists tiramisu on the menu, proving the name and the recipe were in use decades before the Treviso claim. This evidence sparked a bitter regional dispute between Treviso and Friuli that continues to divide Italian culinary circles. During the 1980s and 90s, the recipe escaped northern Italy and spread rapidly across the globe. Its international popularity exploded after being featured prominently in the 1993 Hollywood film Sleepless in Seattle. Because Italians were already very familiar with the dessert, the theatrical release in Italy changed the word tiramisu to tartufone, a generic industrial cake, so the character's confusion in the film remained believable to Italian audiences. By 2013, the dessert had even left the planet. Astronaut Luca Parmitano ate a space-grade, dehydrated version while aboard the International Space Station. In just a few decades, tiramisu transformed from a local secret into one of the most recognizable symbols of modern international dining. The long-standing rivalry over the dessert's origins reached a definitive conclusion in 2017. The Italian Ministry of Agriculture officially declared tiramisu a traditional product of Friuli Venezia Giulia, effectively awarding them the legal title. There is a final irony in this regional battle over ownership. Tiramisu is a record of how global trade eventually intersects in a single kitchen. It is the specific point where Arabian coffee, American cocoa, and Northern Italian dairy were layered together for the first time.